Well, you guys, quieter weather this week than last, but there's really nothing I can do about that. So let's move on and show you what's going on. I'd like to change it.
It's beautiful outside today.
It is nice.
It's gorgeous,
you know what? The temperatures are going to be well above average. Yes, we're going to be looking at a very nice week ahead. Now, the only thing we're going to have to deal with is occasional cold fronts coming across the east side of the state. That's going to knock temperatures down a little bit, but overall, a pretty good setup. Here's the shot from or toward downtown Albuquerque, and we are getting the longer days now. As you can see, just getting ready for nightfall here. And as far as what's going on, 56 degrees, still fairly mild. Winds out of the north right now at 12 miles an hour. Northern half of the state, temperatures 30s and 40s and 50s out to the east. And then down to the south, we're hanging in the high 50s from Deming all the way over to Carlsbad and Roswell at this point. Temperatures will continue to rise. If you compare the temperatures today to what we had at this exact time yesterday, we are warmer across the board. There are very few exceptions to this. Other than Alamogordo, the rest of the state is definitely warmer, including the northeast. We're about 15 degrees or so warmer than we were yesterday. High pressure is going to build in just to our west here. So what that's going to lead to is sort of a spilling flow into New Mexico. We'll spill the air down into the state from the northwest. That'll keep temperatures going slightly higher here until we get a cold front, which passes on through here. That will happen on Wednesday. So for tonight and tomorrow, things looking good. Largely clear skies. A few clouds may occasionally float by, but it's still going to be pretty nice. Then we get that front that comes through on Wednesday and into Thursday. That will cool down, especially the east side of the state. Maybe we get a little breezy here in the metro area as the front muscles its way through, but then that high transitions right over the state here for Thursday into Friday, and that's going to lead to more mild conditions across the area. You can see, though, winds will boost up a little bit. During the day tomorrow, we'll have some occasionally gusty winds out to the east and along the east slopes of the northern mountains, and then the front starts to slide its way through the east side of the state here into the day Wednesday. That will jack up winds across eastern New Mexico, and that will continue into late in the day on Wednesday. And then beyond that, winds will come back down and temperatures will rise back up again. That front across the east side of the state will not have a long impact there. It'll impact the weather for probably 24 hours before a warm up once again. Now, if you're in southern Colorado, a lot of sunshine, 40s and 50s throughout the rest of the work week. Same deal across the northwest, sun and a few clouds. Temperatures mainly in the 50s. Over to the southwest, mostly sunny skies here and temperatures in the 50s and 60s. Here's where you start to see a little bit of that temperature roller coaster. We're down to 66 tomorrow. I guess you could say down to, but hardly. It's really Thursday when we feel that impact of the front across the southeast, but then they're back up to 72 on Friday. Northeast, same deal here, going to be in the 50s next couple of days. A slight cool down for Wednesday, and then we warm back up again. Meanwhile, northern mountains will start off fairly cool with temperatures in the teens warming into the 40s. East mountains sunny and breezy for tomorrow with those winds up to 35 miles an hour at a gust. And here into the metro area, we'll start it off in the 20s. Warm it up into the high 50s by later on in the afternoon. Extended forecast, high 50s, low 60s across the board here through the next 7 days. Now, there is the chance of a storm by about Monday of next week. We're not going to worry about that yet. We're not going to throw in any clouds or precip at this point. We need to wait and see exactly how the models come into line. But if you want to talk more on Twitter, we'll do that at KRQE Mark.
All right, thank you, Mark.